Hey, hi everyone. I'm Sai, and I have been showing you how you can create LangChain agents using Azure AI models and then power them with Microsoft Graph APIs. And So far, we have only been using Jupyter notebooks, but in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build your standalone applications and build your own UI to accompany with your LangChain agents. For my today's demo, I'm actually using Chainlet SDK to power the front end. And here I have my agent up and running. And if you remember my previous sample, I'm still using the same sample. I've just integrated it into the Chainlet SDK, and I will show you the script for this in a moment. But so far, it looks like this, and your users can interact with the agent just like they would with any other chatbots that are available on the internet. So, for example, I'm going to ask my agent here to recommend restaurants so that I and Chin can meet. And you can see that my agent is talking to a tool that's for web search, and it's searching the web, and it got me this information. And you can see that some of these restaurants like the Taj Mahal and Mumbai Lounge are actually present in the location in France that I asked my agent to recommend restaurants for. And so now I will just send a mail to. And here you can see that my agent is talking to um, get contacts to get Chin's email ID, and then it's talking to send mail to actually send the email, and it responds saying email has been sent. And as you've just heard the ping, it actually has sent the email. You can see that it has sent the message as I intended it to. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can build uh, UI that can accompany your agent. And here I have the script as promised, and I hope you can see this. And let me quickly take you through it. Here I have the libraries that I've imported, and then I use MSAL for my user authentication into M365, and I'm loading the environment variables here. And then I have my this is all the authentication code, by the way. And then I have my tools, same as what I showed you last time. I have my get events tool, I have my get contacts tool, I have my send mail tool, and in addition, LangChain provides a web search tool which is called Tavli search results, so I'm using that as well. And then at every user message, I am setting a state for my agent and saving the messages and passing the user queries as it is for my LLMs to parse and figure out, like so. And that's pretty much it. This script is also going to be available in the GitHub repo that we shared before. The links are going to be available in the description. Hope you're able to follow and build your own agents. Let me know what else you want us to build in this series, and we will work on that and put out a video soon. So, thank you.